Hello, friends! Today, we will learn how to divide a photograph into squares. This is an important step for accurately transferring proportions and positioning facial features. Proper marking will help you transfer the face as precisely as possible and avoid mistakes in proportions. Shall we begin? I chose this photograph because it clearly shows where the light is coming from. The right side of the face is lit, while the left side is in shadow. The transitions from light to shadow are very smooth, and the facial features are also very well defined. We will need to divide this photo into equal squares. You can choose. For example, squares of 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, or 3 centimeters, depending on how precisely you want to transfer the facial details and how well developed your eye measurement is. For example, I will take 2 centimeters. We need to draw a grid. What do we do? Along the top edge of the paper, mark every 2 centimeters. Lightly, without pressing too hard with the pencil. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. The last one may turn out slightly cut off, but that's okay. Do the same along the bottom edge. Now connect the marks from top to bottom. Do the same vertically. The number of centimeters should be the same vertically as horizontally. For example, if you chose 2 centimeters, you mark 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Do the same on the other side. And connect the left with the right. Now we have a grid. Let's number it. A1, A2, A3, and so on for convenience. Do the same vertically. B1, B2, B3, and so on. Why is this needed? Later, when we transfer the image, we can refer to the cells. For example, if we are transferring the eye, we check and see that the right eye is in cell A7, B4. We will do the same once we transfer the grid onto drawing paper. Now you have seen how to divide a photo into squares if you are drawing from a printed photo or a physical picture. But let's also see how to do this if you are drawing from a mobile device or a tablet. There are many apps that can help divide a photo into a grid. I chose the one I like most, called Drawing Grid. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play. If it's not there, you can find a similar one. I'll show you how it works with this app. You open the app. The first thing you see is the main screen, like this. You tap the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, and a menu pops up. You select the first option, Load Image and Grid Settings. Then you choose Load Image and upload your photo from the gallery. Next, you choose into how many squares you want to divide the image. In the Columns field, you select the number of squares you'd like. Let's set 15 in our case. Here you can also select the line thickness. I would, and recommend you to, choose 1 pixel, so that the line doesn't cover details you'll need to draw. That's it. The app automatically divides your photo into squares. You can also set it to 20 if you want more squares to make transferring easier. It will also divide it into 20 squares. Then you can number them, just like we did with the paper example. Here you simply switch the toggle, add numbers, and it will number everything for you. Next, you tap Export Image, and the image appears in your gallery. That's it. Then you can either print this image or just draw directly from your phone. This way, it's easier to zoom in on details to see them better. Excellent! At this stage, you have an exact square grid layout on the photo. This is the foundation for further work. The grid will help you transfer proportions and facial features without mistakes. In the next lesson, we will transfer this grid onto paper and begin creating a rough sketch. Thank you for your work.